Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Tech Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to buy products in Meesho with cash on delivery. If you don't want to pay online upfront and prefer to inspect products before paying and want a safer payment option for new sellers or buyers, then you can go ahead and choose the COD or cash on delivery option while purchasing products from Meesho. First of all, launch open the Meesho application and make sure that you're logged in. Now, from the home page, you can browse through the categories or find the product you want. You can also type down the name of the product in the search bar at the very top. After you find the item in the search result, select the item first. And once you find the product, you can go ahead and select its size or quantity if applicable and click on Buy Now at the bottom right corner. Select your offer if you have any and click on Buy Now. And in the Review Your Order page, you can go ahead and edit your information such as the quantity, sizes, etc. and click on Continue at the bottom right. Make sure to enter your correct delivery address. If you want to change the delivery address, then do so in the previous step over here. And on the next page, under Select Payment Method, choose Cash on Delivery. After you do that, click on Place Order at the bottom right corner and follow through the checkout process. The cash on delivery option is usually available for most products, but some sellers or regions may not support it. After you place your order, you'll receive an order confirmation and order ID, and the delivery partner will collect payment at the time of delivery. So that's how you can easily buy products in Meesho with cash on delivery. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.